Hi, Cambridge cash balance approach is given by Cambridge economists like Marshall, Pigou, Robertson, and Keynes. According to this theory, demand for money is a function of individual desire to hold some part of their income in form of cash balances in order to finance their transaction and for security against unforeseen needs. Marshall equation. For equilibrium, money supply equal to money demand. M represent money supply, KPY represent money demand. K represent fraction of income that people wish to hold as a cash. P represent price, Y represent real income. When you multiply real income with price, it will become equal to nominal income. So money demand function of nominal income and fraction of income that people want to hold as a cash. Pigou equation. P represent value of money, or you can see the reciprocal of price level. K part of real income that people choose to hold in cash. R represent real income. M represent quantity of money, or you can say money supply. After some time period, Pigou also add this part. Here C represent proportion of cash that public hold relative to total money. 1 minus C represent proportion of total income people hold as a bank deposit. H represent proportion of bank deposit which bank hold as a cash, means cash reserve ratio of bank. This is other way of writing Pigou equation. M will come in this side, P will come below. This part represent money supply, this part represent money demand. At equilibrium, both are equal to each other. According to Pigou, if C, H, K are constant, then money supply and value of money have an inverse relation. Same thing you can see in this diagram, quantity, value of money. When money supply increase from MS to MS1, value of money fall from V to V1. Money supply again increase MS1 to MS2, value of money again fall. So we can say that value of money and money supply have an inverse relation. Robertson equation, M equal to KPT. This is other way of writing. KT will come below. This side represent money supply, this side represent money demand. M quantity of money in circulation, P price level, T total transaction, or you can say the total amount of goods and services which people purchase in year. K is proportion of total transaction which people wish to hold as a cash rather than spending. And this equation mainly focus on transaction demand for money.